Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nadira Zahra. Today, I would like to tell you about some plane figures, especially the characteristic and the formula of perimeter and area. There are some plane figures I want to talk about. First is square, the second is rectangle, the third is triangle, and the last one is circle. The first is square. The characteristic of a square is has four sides of equal length, then has two pairs of opposite sides that are parallel. Then all angles are right angles or measure 90 degrees. Then has two diagonals that bisect each other perpendicularly and are of equal length. Then the diagonals intersect at right angles. Then has four axes of symmetry or reflective symmetry. And the last one has four rotational symmetries. The formula area of a square is side times side. And the formula perimeter of a square is 4 times side. For example square problem, the question is a square has a perimeter of 108 cm. What is the area of the square? Because the question is given a value of perimeter, so we can use formula for the perimeter of a square, where the formula is 4 times side. So we can substitute the value to the formula. Perimeter equal to 4 times side to 108 equal to 4 times side. Side equal to 100 over 4 and the side is 27. To find the area of square, we can use the formula for the area of a square, where this formula is side times side. Because the side is 27, so the area is 27 times 27. So the area of the square is 729 square centimeters. The second is rectangle. The characteristic of a rectangle is has four sides consisting of two pairs of opposite sides that are parallel. Then opposite sides have equal length. Then all angles measure 90 degrees, forming right angles. Then the two diagonal bisect each other and are of equal length. Then it has two lines of symmetry or axes of reflection, and the last one it has two rotational symmetries. The formula area of a rectangle is length times width, and the formula perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times length plus width. For example rectangle problem, the question is if the perimeter of a rectangle is 40 cm and its width is 8 cm, what is its length? To find the length, we can use formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. The formula is 2 times length plus width. And the question given a perimeter is 40 and the width is 8. So we can substitute the value into the formula. 40 equal to 2 times length plus 8. Solve for the length. 80 over 2 equal to length plus 8. 20 equal to length plus 8. So length equal to 20 minus 8 is 12 cm. Thus the length of the rectangle is 12 cm. The third is triangle. The characteristic of a triangle is it has three sides with connected lines. Then It has three angles, and when summed, the total of the angles is 180 degrees. Then, the sum of any two sides is always greater than the third side. Then, the longest side is opposite the largest angle. Then, the shortest side is opposite the smallest angle. Then, in an equilateral triangle, all three sides have the same length, and all three angles are equal to 60 degrees. Then, in an isosceles triangle, two sides have the same length and two angles are equal. Then, in a right triangle, one of the angles is 90 degrees, and the last one is an acute triangle. Each of the angles is less than 90 degrees. The formula area of a triangle is 1 over 2 times base times height, and the formula perimeter of a triangle is side plus side plus side. For example triangle problem, the question is, in a right triangle, the base is 6 cm and the area is 21 cm. Determine the height. To find the height of a right triangle, we can use the formula for the area of a triangle. The formula is 1 over 2 times base times height. The area is 21 equal to 1 over 2 times 6 times height. 21 equal to 3 height. So the height equal to 21 over 3, where the 21 over 3 is 7. So the height of a triangle is 7 centimeters. And the last one is circle. The characteristic of a circle is it has only one side, then it has no vertices, or the measure of its angle is 360 degrees. Then it has an infinite line of symmetry or reflective symmetry. Then it has an infinite axis of rotation. Then it has a center point, and the last one, the distance from any point on the circumference to the center point is always the same. Formula area of a circle is p times square radius, and the formula circumference of a circle is 2p times radius. The value of radius is 22 over 7 or 3.14. For example circle problem, the question is calculate the area of a circle with a radius of 14 centimeters. To solve this problem, we can use formula for the area of a circle. The formula is p times square radius. Because the question given a radius of 14 centimeters, we can calculate the area as follows. A equal to 22 over 7 times 14 times square 14, where square 14 is 196. So area equal to 22 over 7 times 196. So 196 over 7 is 28. So area equal to 22 times 28. So the area of the circle is 616 square centimeters. Finally, thank you for watching my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.